DOMS Q3 FY26 results, revenue up 18% year but can margins hold steady? DOMS Industries Q3 FY26 revenue grew by 18% year to 592.2 crore rupees, reflecting steady performance across core product segments. Sequentially, revenue rose 4.3% compared to Q2 FY26, showing sustained growth momentum. The scholastic art materials, office supplies, kits or combos, and hobby or craft categories led the quarter, supported by robust domestic demand and seasonal sales. The baby hygiene segment also performed well due to higher winter demand and expanded production capacity. EBITDA for Q3 FY26 stood at 103.4 crore rupees with a margin of 17.5%, maintaining stability compared to previous quarters. PAT rose 13.1% year to 61.4 crore rupees with a margin of 10.4%. Other income moderated this quarter due to cash utilization for capital expenditure and process modernization, but the core operating performance remains strong. For 9MFY26, revenue from operations increased 22.7% year to 1,722.4 crore rupees, while EBITDA grew to 301.7 crore rupees and PAT reached 181.4 crore rupees. EBITDA margin for the 9 months stood at 17.5%, slightly below the prior year due to consolidation of new entities and increased capex. Core business segments continued to show stable volume growth, reflecting resilience across product lines and disciplined execution. Exports showed modest improvement despite US tariff-related challenges. DOMS branded products and strategic distribution agreements, including Feeler, helped sustain growth internationally. This demonstrates the strength of the diversified portfolio and ability to navigate external challenges while maintaining profitability. The company is advancing its 44-acre expansion project, with initial buildings expected to complete by Q1 FY27 and commercial production anticipated from Q2 FY27. Additional capital investments in existing facilities and modernization initiatives are aimed at boosting operational efficiency, supporting higher volumes, and maintaining margins over the medium term. Looking ahead, DOMS expects domestic demand to remain robust across all categories. The combination of core business strength, strategic expansion projects, and disciplined execution is expected to reinforce profitability and provide long-term growth visibility. Management remains confident in sustaining the growth trajectory in FY27. Geographically, domestic operations continue to drive revenue growth while exports contribute steadily. Despite the impact of external factors such as tariffs, international markets show positive momentum. The company's ability to maintain core margins while investing in capacity expansion reflects strong operational control and strategic foresight. With a focus on innovation, capacity expansion, and operational efficiency, DOMS is poised to leverage market opportunities across segments. The balance between domestic and export performance, combined with ongoing modernization efforts, positions the company for continued long-term growth. Investors can expect steady performance from core segments while benefiting from future capacity additions and market expansion. Overall, DOMS Q3 and 9M FY26 results underline the company's consistent execution, strong fundamentals, and strategic initiatives. Revenue growth, stable EBITDA margins, and PAT improvement highlight the robustness of the business model, providing confidence in sustained performance for FY27 and beyond. Promoter holding in DOMS Industries has remained stable at 70.38% since December 2024, showing sustained confidence in the company. Foreign institutional investors, FIIs, slightly reduced their stake to 8.38% in December 2025, while domestic institutional investors, DIIs, increased their share to 18.28%, reflecting rising institutional interest. Public holding declined marginally to 2.96%, and the total number of shareholders stood at 57,647, indicating steady retail participation alongside strong promoter and institutional backing. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.